Hey, good day to you. This is Todd. I'm a regular dude walking in the Word. Hey, thank you for joining us as we're going through Ephesians. And today we are talking about living in the light. I'm wearing my hat today, and this hat represented back in episode, 34, taking off the old and putting on the new. Well, I have the hat that represents the new because today I'm talking about living in the light. And when I live in the light, this is the new life that I live. And these are things that should be reflected in my new life. These past episodes, it talked about like examining your life. Are these things that I need to work on? Okay, and ask God to help me with these things. Do I need to ask God to help me in the way I talk, in the way I talk about women and so forth? And so today we're talking about living in the light. So it's taken from Ephesians chapter 5, verses 8, all the way to verse 14 today. All right. It says this, for you were once darkness, okay? Darkness. And I have my flashlight here. It's dark. It's not working at all right? So the flashlight is here. For you were once in darkness, but now you are in the light of the Lord. Ding, ding, the light is on, okay? And so as this light is on, it says, but now you are in the light of the Lord. Live as children of light, for the fruit of the light consists in all goodness, righteousness, and truth, okay? And find out what pleases the Lord. Have nothing to do with the fruitless deeds of darkness, but rather expose them. It is shameful even to mention what the disobedient do in secret. But everything exposed by the light becomes visible, and everything that is illuminated becomes a light. That is why it is said, wake up, O sleeper, rise from the dead, and Christ will shine on you. Okay? So this is my light. The way I should be living is like in the light. All right? So the things I do, the way I live, it should reflect that. There should be nothing secret like, oh no, I hope those people don't hear me because, I'm watching this nasty movie or whatever. My deeds should be visible to everybody, and I shouldn't be ashamed because of what I have done. Okay, so and it talks about for the fruit of the light, it consists of goodness and righteousness and truth, and the fruit of the Spirit is the stuff that is in the light, and so those should be the things that reflect what's in my life. The things of the darkness, not so much. I shouldn't be part of that, and this stuff all ties together, all right? So the stuff that we talked about, your anger and the way you talk and walking in love and forgiveness and be sexually pure and in my speech, those are things, some of those things were things in the darkness. And then like the things in the light is my love and forgiveness, the way I'm treating each other. So I should be walking in the light. And I had a pastor, a friend of mine, years ago, he said, and his big thing is, are you walking in the light? Are you walking in the light? And so I have to examine myself. Am I walking in the light today? If God were, walking down the road beside me, would he be pleased because I'm saying some nasty joke? Probably not. Okay. So am I walking in the light like, God, you're right here beside me. Everybody can see, and it should be clear, and so I'm walking in the light. So my question today is, are you walking in the light? I'll leave you with that. Thank you for watching, and I'm just a regular dude walking in the Word, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow as we continue our journey through Ephesians. Lord's blessing. I'll see you then.